Ready for a science and nature trivia quiz? Let's go. What gas do we breathe in to stay alive? Oxygen. How many bones are in the human body? 206. What planet has the most moons? Saturn. What is the boiling point of water? 100 degrees Celsius. What land animal has the best sense of smell? Elephant. What is the center of an atom called? Nucleus. Which of the 5 human senses is said to be the most closely linked to memory? Smell. Which planet rotates on its side? Uranus. Typically, how many teeth does an adult human have? 32. What kind of energy comes from the sun? Solar energy. Boom, science just got fun.